Blizzard blackout. Ellie looked out the window. Snow was coming down all over the city. The lights were out as far as she could see. "Why are all the lights off?" asked her little brother Ben. "The storm made the power go out," said Mom. "Dad lit candles. We put them all around the apartment." Ellie hugged Ben. "Just think, we can pretend we live in a time before power." The family played board games until the candles melted. The power was still out the next day. "What about school?" asked Ben. "The school is closed," Dad said with a tired smile. Ellie grabbed Ben's hand. "Just think, we can spend the day doing whatever we like," she said. The family told spooky stories in front of the fire. The power was still out the next day. "I'm cold," said Ben with a frown. Everyone looked unhappy. Ellie brought out extra coats and blankets. "Just think, we can wear our favorite coats all at the same time." The family squeezed into as much clothing as possible. Suddenly, all the lights turned on. The power was back. The family cheered. "Just think, now everything can finally go back to normal," Ellie said.